Hello, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. In our previous video, ma'am have told you about the abacus. How do we do work on abacus? How can we make abacus? How can we represent numbers on abacus? So, in our abacus, there are ones and tens place. Yes, ones and tens place. And on that ones and tens place, we can represent the number 0 to 99. Yes, 0 to 99. After 99, there is another place for them, which we are going to study in our bigger class. So today, ma'am will show you how we write numbers on abacus with the help of worksheets. So let us see this. So kids, today we will do few worksheets related to abacus or tens and ones. So can you see here? Ma'am has drawn lots of abacus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you have already seen in my previous video how we can make abacus, we need one rectangle base and two sticks. One stick represents ones and another stick represents tens. So in this paper, I have made abacus by one sleeping line and two standing line. So first standing line shows ones and second standing line shows tens. ये जो सीक्वेंस होता है ones and tens का, ये इसी तरीके से होता है. We can't keep tens here or ones here. One should be always here and 10 should be always here. Okay? See, I have given one number here, 1. So what I have to do, I have to represent all these numbers on these abacus. Okay? हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है? इन नंबर्स को इन अबैकस पे रिप्रेजेंट करना है, जैसे हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में किया था. सो कैन यू सी हियर व्हाट नंबर इज रिटन हियर? यस, 1. नंबर 1 इज रिटन हियर. सो 1 क्या है? सिंगल है. यहाँ पे तो कोई ग्रुपिंग हुई नहीं है, तो 1 जो है वो कहाँ पे जाएगा? वंस प्लेस में जाएगा कि टेंस प्लेस में जाएगा? It will go here in ones place. Okay, so I have made one beads here. One bead here. So 1 की place value क्या है? Ones. Same way, what is the next number? 3. So how many beads I have to draw? 3 beads. Yes. 1, 2, 3. 3 beads in ones place. Same way, 5 number is here. So 5 comes in ones place because अभी 10 का कोई भी group form नहीं हुआ है. So how many beads we are going to make? We are going to make 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this 5 lies under ones place. Same way, next number 7. Number 7 is also alone. No grouping is formed. So now we are going to make 7 beads in ones place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, same way 9 is also a single number, so it comes in ones place. So we have to make 9 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 beats in ones place. So with the help of different colors we can make beads and show on this. So number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 4, 2, 6, 8 all comes in ones place. Now we will see the numbers ahead, that is 11. So how we will represent number 11 on abacus? See, 11 means 1 10 is here and 1 1 is here. So first we will make 1 ones. So we will make 1 beat like this. Now 110. If 110 is here, then how will beats I will make? Only 1. So I will make 1 beat here. ये चीज़ आपको याद रहे, ये जो 1 बीट है ये किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है? ये 10 को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है. ओके, सो 1 1 11, 1 10 and 1 1 is 11. So next number is 12. So same way I will make 2 beats in ones place, 1 and 2, and in tens place I will make only 1 beat because it represents 10. So what will be the number formed here? 1 to 12. Same way we have to represent number 14 on this abacus. So this is 1 4 14. So 4 lies in ones place. So we are going to make beats 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in tens place we are going to make 1 beat. So what it become? 1 4 14. Same way 16. 6 comes in ones place. So we will make 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and in tens place we are going to make only 1 beat. So it become 1 6 16. Now here you can see 20. So in ones place 0 is here, 0. Okay, so we are not going to make any beats in ones place, but in tens place 2 is here. So we are going to make 2 beats in tens place like this. 1, 2. So what does it become? 2 0 20. Okay kids, so this way we can represent numbers on abacus. Now we will do one more worksheet. So kids, this is our second worksheet. So what we have to do here? We have to count the numbers and then we have to write the numbers here. हमें नंबर्स को वंस और टेंस की प्लेस में काउंट करके फिर कहाँ लिखना है? इन बॉक्स में लिखना है. So we know that ones will come here and tens will come here. So let us start counting beads. So let's count the beads which lies under ones place. 1, 2, 3. Kids, हमें जल्दी जल्दी काउंट नहीं करना है, हमें ध्यान से काउंट करना है ताकि हम काउंटिंग में मिस्टेक ना कर सकें. तो 1, 2, 3. 3 beads under ones place and in tens place there is no beads. Okay, so we will write the number 3 here. Only 3 ones. So now another abacus. So how many beads are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads are in ones place and at tens place we have only 1 bead. We all know that we know that 1 means 10. 1 means 10. So kids, 1 10 का क्या मतलब होता है? 1 10 में कितने वंस होते हैं? 10 वंस होते हैं, मतलब 10 सिंगल होते हैं. ओके, सो 1 10 एंड 5 वंस मिलकर क्या नंबर फॉर्म करेंगे? 1 5 15. ओके किड्स, सेम वे here in ones place nothing is here and in tens place 1 bead is here. So we will write 1 0 10. Then next in ones place there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 beads and in tens place 0 beads. So how many number is here? Here are only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ones. So we will write 7. And next in ones place we have 2 beads and in tens place we have 1 beads. So 10 plus 2 110 and 2 ones is equals to 12. 12. Okay, 1 to 12. So kids, we can write this 1 to 12 like 1 10 and 2 ones. Now in this abacus we have 0 मतलब nothing in ones place and 2 tens in 10 place. Okay, so 1 bead is equal to 10 ones. 10 ones plus 10 ones means 110 plus 110 is equal to 20. So here 20 plus 0 is equal to 20. Okay, next you can see this in ones place we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 beads and in tens place we have no beads. So we will write 8 here. Okay, now in this there are 1 2 3 in ones place and 1 in tens place. So 1 3 13. 1 3 13 and here 1 in ones place and 1 in tens place. So 1 1 11. 1 1 11. Now in last 1 2 3 4 beads in ones place and 1 bead in tens place. So 1 4 14. 1 4 14. Okay kids, now I hope you have understood this. Now kids, I hope you all have understood how to represent the numbers on abacus. So now we have learned the 2 ways which I have showed you in this video. like this you have to practice at your home, and ma'am will going to share some worksheets like this which you have to do. Okay kids, till then, bye bye and keep smiling.